Welcome to my tech space. Today, most social media sites allow their users to connect their accounts from other platforms, making it easier to manage their profiles. On Clubhouse, users can connect their Twitter and Instagram accounts to make their profiles look legitimate. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps on how you can connect your Twitter and Instagram accounts to Clubhouse. So, without further ado, let's get started. Let's talk about adding your Instagram account to Clubhouse first. At first, on your iOS or Android device, go to the home screen and launch the Clubhouse app. Then, access your profile. You can do that by tapping on your profile picture and then tap the Add Instagram button. Now, enter your account credentials to log in to your account. If you're already logged into your Instagram account, you can just tap on your account. Tap on Allow and wait for the process to complete. Once done, restart the Clubhouse app and go back to your profile to check if you've successfully connected your Instagram account. Moving forward to Twitter, adding your Twitter account to Clubhouse is similar to the process of connecting your Instagram account. However, you need to press different buttons since you're adding an account from another platform. So you can go ahead and tap on your profile from the top right corner of your display and then tap on Add Twitter beside your Instagram handle. Now you'll be redirected to your browser or you'll get a prompt asking to open Twitter. Tap Open to grant permissions. Inside Twitter app or the Twitter opened in the browser, enter your email and password. Then tap the Authorize App button located at the bottom of the password or on the bottom right corner of your screen. Finally, wait for the process to complete. Once done, you should see your Twitter handle below your profile's bio. The steps are so very simple and straightforward that you will be done in no time. I hope the video was helpful to you. For more technical and informative videos, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my TechSpace channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.